Hey, you see this slick website, this beautiful website. It will be a disaster for this website to get hacked because it's insecure. Watch this video to know how to secure your website. So let's get to the video. Hi, it's Students Tech Hub here, and welcome to my channel where I review softwares and apps which should be of help in your daily activities. So normally, to create a website through the traditional routes usually takes at least a couple of $100 if you hire a website designer to do so for you, or it will take you a lot of time and resources to learn how to code just to create your website, and you won't want to spend that much time on just creating a website for your business because coding usually takes 2 to 3 years to get good at it, and that's a lot of time to be put into something, and it would be a good idea if you need a website for your business. So that's why I have researched the best budget-friendly web builder. As you may know, web builders are online platforms which help you create your website with simply just choosing the templates you want. It is that easy. And the best web builder on the internet right now is whogohost. whogohost. For any type of website, it takes you just $15 to create a website with them, and you will get a discount if you use my link in the description below. So when you create your website, you wouldn't want your website to be hacked or get malware activities on it, right? So then all you need is whogohost security service on your website. With this, you rest assured that your website is safe, and even if your website has been hacked or has malware on it, then with whogohost you can recover your website and clean your website thoroughly from any virus. So hurry now to my description below to register with whogohost to get a discounted price. So that's it for this video. Please subscribe to my channel and stay safe. Peace.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.